Have you ever been confused about when to use a clay bar and when to use a compound? Have you wondered what each step does and what the difference is between the two? With a little knowledge, you can understand the difference between the two and know when to use a clay bar and when to use a compound. Start off by washing and drying your car with a premium car wash like Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax to remove any loose dust, grime, and debris from the paint. Be sure to use premium microfiber accessories to get the best swirl-free results. After washing and drying, it's time to evaluate the paint. Run your clean, dry fingertips over the paint. If it feels rough, this indicates that you have bonded contaminants on top of the paint that need to be removed. These are things like rail dust, tree sap mist, industrial fallout, and paint overspray. If your paint feels completely smooth to the touch upon evaluation, you can skip this step and move on to compounding. Meguiar's currently offers two clay bar kits, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Quik Clay Kit and Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit. Both kits quickly remove above surface bonded contaminants without swirling or scratching, make the paint feel as smooth as glass, and allow for the next steps to work quicker and better. Hybrid Ceramic Quik Clay Kit makes use of a synthetic clay pad and Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Detailer as a lubricant. Glide the lubricated pad back and forth until the paint is smooth and wipe off the excess with the included Supreme Shine microfiber. Work in sections over the entire vehicle. With the Smooth Surface Clay Kit, you spray a section of the paint liberally with the Meguiar's Quik Detailer. Take a clay bar and flatten it like a patty, spray once with the detailer and work it back and forth until the paint is smooth. Wipe off the excess with the included Supreme Shine microfiber. Again, work in sections. Also new is Meguiar's Iron Removing Spray Clay. After washing, spray the product on the paint and gently agitate the surface with a wash mitt. Rinse and dry. Note that tree sap mist and paint overspray must be removed with a clay bar or pad instead of the wash mitt. Meguiar's Iron Removing Spray Clay is only recommended for use with our Hybrid Ceramic Quik Clay Synthetic Pad or our professional clay bars. When your paint feels as smooth as glass, you're ready to move on to compounding. For this step, visually inspect the paint for below surface defects like swirls, scratches, oxidation, and stains. Different types of lighting can reveal different defects, so consider looking at the paint from several different angles and in different types of lighting so we can see all potential defects that may be present. If you have light to moderate below surface defects, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is the perfect way to remove defects in the paint without hazing or marring the surface like a traditional compound. Apply a small amount of Ultimate Compound with a soft foam applicator by hand or with a foam cutting disc by DA Polisher. Work in a 1 to 2 square foot area with overlapping passes using light to moderate pressure. Wipe off the residue with a premium microfiber towel before it dries. Inspect your work and reapply as needed to remove any remaining stubborn paint defects. Work in sections over the vehicle. Once you're done, apply Meguiar's Ultimate Polish for maximum shine, followed by your favorite Meguiar's wax to ensure you have plenty of protection on the paint. So the next time you notice your paint doesn't feel completely smooth, or if you notice swirls, scratches, or stains, you'll now know the difference between a clay bar and a compound. And you'll know exactly which product to go to for each specific issue. This will help you get the results you want so you can keep your car looking its best. For additional detailing tips and techniques, visit Meguiars.com.